Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Belkin Wemo to integrate with Alexa, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process for Belkin Wemo, ensure that you have a compatible device and the Wemo app installed on your smartphone. Open the Wemo app on your device. If you haven't already created an account, select the option to sign up. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password to proceed. You will then receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Wemo app. Log in using the email and password you just created. Next, you'll need to add your Wemo device. Tap on the Add Device option within the app. Choose the type of Wemo device you are connecting. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Wemo device to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your Wemo device to use. The app will prompt you to ensure that the Wemo device is powered on and in setup mode. Once the device is detected, follow any additional setup instructions provided in the app. After successfully adding your Wemo device, navigate back to the main menu of the app. To integrate with Alexa, go to the Settings section in the Wemo app. Select the Voice Control option. Here, you will find the option to link your Wemo account with your Amazon Alexa account. Tap on Link Account and you will be redirected to the Amazon login page. Enter your Amazon account credentials to log in. Grant necessary permissions for Alexa to control your Wemo devices. Once linked, return to the Wemo app to finalize the setup. Now, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, go to the Devices section. Select Add Device and choose Wemo from the list of brands. Follow the prompts to discover your Wemo devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.